Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to see how good is your general knowledge. Take this question-answer fun quiz, the find out before that. So don't forget, subscribe the channel to playing more quizzes, fun quizzes. So alright, let's play quiz. Which vitamin is often referred to as the sunshine vitamin? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer D. Vitamin D. What is the name of the longest river in Russia? A. Volga. B. Lena. C. Neva. D. Amur. Answer B. Lena. Who was the first president of the USA? A. George Washington. B. John Adams. C. Thomas Jefferson. D. James Madison. Answer a George Washington. Who is the founder of the modern theory of evolution? A. Charles Darwin. B. Isaac Newton. C. Albert Einstein. D. Marie Curie. Answer A. Charles Darwin. Which country is considered the birthplace of the Olympic Games? A. Greece. B. Rome. C. Egypt. D. China. Answer A. Greece. Which of these animals cannot jump? A. Cat. B. Horse. C. Snake. D. Kangaroo. Answer C. Snake. Which canal connects the Red and Mediterranean Seas? A. Suez Canal. B. Panama Canal. C. Gotthard Tunnel. D. Bosphorus Strait. Answer A. Suez Canal. What year did the Titanic sink in the Atlantic Ocean? A. 1913. B. 1912. C. 1812. D. 1920. Answer B. 1912. Social network used stories first? A. Snapchat. B. Facebook. C. Instagram. D. Twitter. Answer A. Snapchat. What game became popular due to the principle of catch Pokémon in the real world? A. Mario Kart Tour. B. Clash of Clans. C. Pokemon Go. D. Candy Crush Saga. Answer C. Pokemon Go.